If you're planning to sell or give away your Apple Watch, there's one important thing you must do first. Remove the activation lock. Without removing the activation lock, the next user won't be able to use the Apple Watch at all. In this video, I'll show you how to remove the activation lock from an Apple Watch Series 6 quickly and easily. First, open any browser on your phone or computer. Go to appleid.apple.com. Log into your Apple ID account. Once logged in, find the Devices section. Look for your Apple Watch in the list of connected devices. Tap on your Apple Watch, then tap Remove from Account. Confirm by tapping Remove again. Your Apple Watch is now unlinked from your Apple ID. To double-check, open Settings on your iPhone. Tap your name banner at the top. Scroll down to the list of connected devices. If your Apple Watch still appears there, tap on it and remove it from this list too. Once it's removed from both places, the activation lock will be fully disabled. And now your Apple Watch is ready for its new owner activation lock free.